sir. Sir loves me. I love you too. I love you too. Yes. First of all, I forgot to announce DJ Hoffman to you guys, and I'm really sorry because he needed an introduction. So please, one more time, everybody, applaud for DJ Hoffman and his fucking kick-ass set he did. Because that was amazing. Second thing I want to say is, Maui! Representing the shirt. Third thing I want to say is now there is a competition. A competition on AMIGA. I don't know if you know. Do you know this machine, the AMIGA? Have you guys heard of it? AMIGA! Yeah, you heard of it? It's an old computer. It was used in the 90s. Well, there is a 4K combo coming right up on AMIGA. So enjoy. AMIGA 4K. Very smooth programs and old hardware.
Young.
Okay, sorry, one last announcement. We have one car with the lights left on. So, the owner of the car with the number plate SUMW1337, haha, funny. SUMW1337, your lights are still on, so you can decide now if you want the AMIGA Intro combo or your car. Sorry.
AMIGA!